I'm so tired. Need to hide from the cold. Oh, is that a house? Wow, another one. But it's got a price tag. And this? No way. That's a whole mansion. I could never buy that. Guess I'll just stay here. Hey! Guess who's ready to buy a house? Ew, gross. Let's see. Huh? Hi, welcome. Yeah, whatever. Oh, this house is mine. Cool. Oh, what's happening? Step aside. High class has arrived. So cool! Stop staring. Step away from the property. Hey, careful! Whoa! Cute little house. I'm buying it. Sold. And I'll just stay. I've got a ton of cardboard rolls. How can I use them? Oh, I know! First, fold them like this. Press the creases real good. Nice! Now let's start drawing. Gotta keep the lines sharp. There. Done! Now cut it out. Time to paint. Paint the edges well. Make a few more and paint them too. Bright colors are perfect. Now bend them round again. Flowers done. Love relaxing outside. Beautiful. Just need a fence. Nice. I've got an idea. Hey, can you make feather-like flowers? I think I can come up with something. First, put a skewer on plastic. Draw patterns with hot glue. Keep them close together. Now grab silver dye, paint it, and peel off the extra plastic. Nice. Gimme! Let's see. How cute! Huh? This is unacceptable! Servant! Look at their flowers. I want some too. Got it. These plastic plates should work. Stick them together and paint. Like that. Looks good. Ooh, ma'am, it's ready. Wow. Love how the gold goes with pink. Nice. Windows ready. Ooh, how dare she! Servant! Anyone need a repair pro? I need a window cooler than hers. Money's no problem. Ooh, I get it. First, check the size. Then smash out the holes. Done. Now for the mosaic. Add glue. Lots of it. Like that. Wait for it to set. Add the frame. Make sure there's no gaps. Perfect. Now install it. There. Done! Wow, so chic! I like it! Ow! Who threw that at me? Wasn't me! Take my money! Please don't hurt me! I'm watching you! No! Oh! I got the house dirty! Oh, now what? Wait! I can paint the whole house red! I'm so smart! Oh, this'll take forever! Need this lipstick bigger? Come on, grow! It worked! Nice! There! Much better! Like this! Perfect! How to match the house to the dress? Ta-da! Plus, now I can kiss it all I want! Let's see… I think I know what to do with this cardboard. First, draw a circle in the center. And shapes like flames. Looks like a sun. Nice! Time to cut. Now give it some color. This yellow is perfect. Add more paint. There! Now paint the rays. They gotta be as bright as the sun. Done! Looks awesome! Best house decor ever! Let's see how the sun shines when I make it rain! Allow me to cover you. Relax. This button makes golden rain. Ma'am, your house is pulled now. Ooh! Love this color! Look at that beauty! Wow! Show off! How else can I decorate? Oh, I know! Let's start by drawing patterns like this. Careful, no rushing. Now over to this side. Patterns from roof to floor. Ta-da! Wood effect! Hey, look at that! Wow, that's epic! Really? Thanks! My roof's too plain. Got it! Hello, I need balloons. Whoa! Fast delivery! Come here. Let's tie you to the roof. Perfect! Oops! Maybe I used too much force. Servant, I have an idea. I want a soft roof. Understood. First, add a pillow. Then a blanket. Should work. Done! Wow! I could sleep here forever! Let's toss some seeds on the roof. Grow that greenery. Nature at its best. Is that a rooftop garden? Looks pretty good. Whatever. Ow! Ah! Stop! What the heck? Actually, these cups could be useful. Hiya! Nice! Now lay the bottoms like this. And we've got a path. Cool! Ta-da! I'll show them a real path. Just melt some gold. Done! Oh yeah, nothing beats gold. Watch and learn. And here too. What? Ugh! I can make a fancy path too. There, try to top that. Selfie time! Girls, I think we're finally done! Yay! Nice! I love it! Neighbor hugs! This is so my color. Achoo! Watch where you sneeze, weirdo! Let's go inside! What's in there anyway? So heavy! Wait! Not a secret passageway! Me first! So cool! Space, please. Wow, it's pretty. Neat! Oh my gosh! Ugh! That'll leave a mark. So embarrassing. But check out all this free stuff! Look! A real cardboard box! Yep, it's transformation time. And I've got a very good idea. A big one! See? Good thing I've got lots of tape. Just one more piece here. There. That was rough, but totally worth it. But that color… Wait. I can just use this thing. Well, a few more than this. Now we're talking! Hey, look! Should I? Hey, these are just perfect! I love it! Not bad, I guess. I need a house of my own. Yes, a house stacked. Help me! Yes, I need you too. I'm calling them right now. Alrighty. Hey, this way. Jeez.
Sorry, lady.
Are you?
It's for you.
I'm not touching those. Hey!
Just give me an hour, alright?
Oh, is that necessary?
There, just about finished.
Wow.
Welcome home.
I suppose you want to get paid. Is this enough?
Looks good to me.
Wow, that was hard work. But I'm not done. Wow, a money house! Doesn't it look expensive? And it's all mine! Huh? Come here, honey. Just build it over there, okay? And I want it super fancy, got it? Are you almost done? I don't know, it looks cheap. I hate it! How about a little gold?
Wow! A real gold brick? Unbelievable!
No, melt it!
What? But why? That's criminal! I can't believe I'm doing this. I could have been rich, but that will never be. Here it goes! Liquid gold. It sure is pretty, though. Just look at that shine. She definitely has expensive taste.
You're done? Oh, it's magnificent! But it could still use something else.
Wait, I got you. Pink! Here it comes!
Oh, it's so cute! Yay!
Feeling the love, and it's all yours.
A little to the left.
It's perfection. Well?
You earned yourself some gold.
Wow!
Maybe just the one.
Spectacular! Thank you!
So cheap. Just look at all this. And to make it look even more expensive, more gold, baby. Yay! It's perfect. Wait, what about mine? Hello, over here. Whatever. This thing could use a little fresh air. Wait for it. There! A window! Nice! Hey, what's this? It's just the right size, I think. Only one way to find out. Yep. But I ain't done yet. Some outlining makes it nice and bold. Just a tad more. All done! Isn't it great? Hey, you guys! $500 bills? Gross! No way! 1, 2, 3. Fine. Let me think. What's this? A little tube? No, a really big tube. Perfect for a window. Cute, right? Hello out there! This is nice. Come see. I'm a little busy at the moment. Whatever. Help, please? You need me? Ugh. Okay. Lift this with me. Got it? Set it here. Oh, I'm sweating. So not cool. Just a bit further, come on. That's all I need. Bye. Ugh, so ungrateful. How hard could this be? You good? Just give me a minute. Ta-da! Isn't it to die for? Soft, too. All done. Hope you like pink. It's not that great. It's better than yours. How dare you! I'll show you who's better! Oh, my pearls! Too bad, so sad. What's going on out there? Hey, stop! Stop! Hey, get out! Okay, okay. Help! We're doomed! I found light! Come on, this way! Move! Wait, over there! I don't know about this. Should I? Oh, thank goodness. Ugh, out of my way. Whatever. This is much better. What a relief. Wait, I have an idea. Craft time! But first, I need the right shape. There we go. Check them out. All they need is a little color. Okay, lots of color. Let there be light. Just string them on and you're good to go. So festive, am I right? And I didn't spend a penny. You hear that? Is that supposed to be innovative? I'll show her some bright thinking. Not sure what to do with this. Something better, please? Wow, now we're talking. Nothing shines quite like gold. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Oh yeah. I want them all. Ta-da! But I'm not quite done yet. Never underestimate the details. And just like that, it's ready to hang. Shine bright, baby! It really brightens up the bills, don't you think? It's mediocre at best. I prefer something a little richer. Like these. And yes, They're real. And already on a string. Classy is so the vibe here. And what's classier than real pearls? Isn't it just fantastic? Yay! It's so magical! I'm liking it here. Nice work! How am I supposed to get mail? Let me see. Choices, choices. Definitely not. Hey, that's adorable. Is it here? Oh my! It's really here! And to make it better, some ruby red sparkle, of course. So lovely. Who has plain mailboxes anyway? Super fab. I just have to post this. That dinky thing. Enter opulence. Next. No thanks. Now that's interesting. Hi.
Good day, miss.
Excuse me. What about your payment? Hello? It's not done.
Of course. I forgot the most important part.
Wow. Wait. Where did he go? I'm on my own? No way. It's giving mega rich. Wait. Right. All done. Say wealthy. That's super nice. Maybe I can go shopping too. Or maybe not. See what I mean? Useless. Unless… I'm no stranger to getting creative. Pencil, please. Let's giraffe this bad boy. I'm seeing it. Time to make it real, folks. See what I mean? And just like that, I have a mailbox. No shopping apps, no problem. Yay! Look, I made this. Good job. For a peasant. What's that? Hide! I'm scared. Oh no!
Oh! Good heavens! What's going on in here? Ooh!
We're doomed!
Little houses? Interesting.
Hey, I think we can come out now. That was really close. Hey, I have mail. What is it? Oh no, the exam! Today? Alrighty. I got one too. Bummer. An exam? Piece of cake. I always go to class prepared. Notebooks, assemble. Wow, look at her go. Ah, I got this. Come on, Tears. I'm gonna head out. Wait, can you take the test for us? Please? Okay. I'll help you. Let's go, we're gonna be late.